I'm in a trade right now, but I'm still like journaling. I wouldn't really put a hop in a trade yet, so I might make this a little quick little scalp. I got in off of these levels that I'm about to copy and paste to my 5-minute chart that I had on my 4-hour and my 60-minute. I'm in a trade. For me, but yeah, basically like these are levels I had like price been trading around here for a little while, so yeah, I have levels marked here already, so I don't gotta do too much work. Just go on and write these levels down in my journal and then manage this trade. Alright, yeah, 115, my levels, right there, my levels. It's 115.31, 115.31, 116. I don't know what level this is. Let's scroll back and look. I don't remember. Maybe here. Oh yeah, it was strong. 116. I don't want to write down too many, but it's a lot of like roadblocks to get to this target right here. I think I want to take my target to 27, at least lower than this low on this candle. Because we're bears, like this is a straight downtrend. Like there's no way, I ain't gonna say there's no way we're not going up, but no, there's all these other stops along the way. And I got in a short off my brick level, so I can guarantee, like I said, I guarantee my bricks usually give me at least 10 ticks. So 10 ticks from the downside. That's 5. We're halfway there right now. Or 4. Yeah, I'll take 10 to this one right here. Then 116.08. Good on my 60-minute. See if any of these levels match up. 15, 28, 25. Yeah, I want 15, 28. And I want 16.01. That's for 4-hour. Then we got our breakout 116.08. Then I got a level at 116.13. And 116.24. If we get that high, I'm expecting us to reject off of this area right here. So my stop loss is right above it. Yeah, 116.01 in here. Dude, dude. I'm about to clear this chart right here. Alright, let's work these holes. It looks like we can be turning into we can turn into a bull. Well, I mean a bullish trend. But they still got nice resistance right here. So I'm feeling comfortable with my entry. I'm about to go ahead and re-put these levels back on this chart. I'm gonna just start off with my key levels. Alright, just go back in time. Market opened here. 17. I'll give it 116.11 was our open. I'm making these go so I know what it is. 117. 116.11. So now it look like price is coming back to our open. So it's a red candle for the day. We go to the daily chart. Our candle is red for the day. So I'm not looking for no buys. I am just gonna be something short. This right here look like a support. I'm not there right now. I'm gonna get my Asian session high. So from the open up until 2, the highest we got was 116.14. This is dashed orange. The lowest we got was here 116.09. This high period for overnight was 116.14. So I'm gonna make this a not a dash dot, but like something side, yeah, dash dot. So I know it's stronger than this level here. I like this being my area of support. I think I'm gonna add another one, another contract. I don't know though. Right now, you know what? I think I am. Let me look at this. I think we got a gap right in between 08 and 06. Yeah, we could do that. I'm about to add some. Let me get out of here. Yes.
Order submitted. Order filled.
They're not gonna fill me in. Our overnight highs the same. My overnight low was around 115.27. We're just gonna keep this as blue. This is dash boom. Overnight, these are all of our levels.
Order filled.
Our key levels. So not gonna make it too complicated, not gonna make it too red. This is our open, this dotted line, this is our our Asia session high and our overnight high. So this is this period like the high between 6 p.m. open yesterday and 8:20. This period for right now for this session because it hasn't gotten higher than this. So the high for this session right now is 116.14. It's the open. This is the low for like the Asia session, and this is the low for the overnight session. And we're trading in between right now. I'm in a short because overall we're bearish. Downtrend. Boom. I seen a pullback to a zone where it had strong resistance and it was a strong level on another time frame, which I have to bring back down to this time frame so you have to see what I'm talking about as far as my key levels. And it's where like my 4 hour support and 60-hour support or resistance line, so like levels matched up. And these are the levels that I entered originally my 116.08 entry off. And I'm about to copy and paste these levels. I'm gonna start at the bottom. 15. These blue ones is for the hour. Orange 4. Let's see what this area is between 116.09 and 116.13. Yeah, that's our thumb right there. Our little overnight little box that we're using as resistance. Let's just copy this last little level. Price is out of this range, then I'm not even going to trade it. But for today, and this is just the range that I'm marking up today. I'll buy if I need to buy, I'll sell if I need to sell. But right now, we're selling down to here. I got more contracts and I might sell down to 116.02 for real, for real. I'm gonna go one was for 4 hours. Yeah, that first, we'll see. I'll manage the trade. Now, I'm gonna start looking at the stock market. Definitely gonna let this do its thing. I'm about to move my stop loss to 09. That'll be a new high. We found out we got a little uptrend right here coming up with some higher lows. It's allergy season. Hey. Yeah, there ain't much news or much like really going on for this to move faster than it is. Like it usually moves faster during the daytime. But it looked like we took most of the move between 2 a.m. and 6, 2 a.m. and 7. It's the big drop right here. Just gotta know your times and when your stuff is moving. Because that's when the move took place. It's different every day. It's different for every instrument or whatever you're trading. But you just gotta know what you're trading and what moves you can get. Like I might have to take a 3. This is like a 3 tick move right now. I'm about to take a 3. It's not bad. 3 is cool. All you need is 3 ticks a day for real, for real. But I might have to take this 3 tick and bounce and wait for another trade. But like I said, I got in. I got in because price was on the downtrend. I got in on the sell. This 2 is red because I got on the sell. And I got in because it was on the downtrend. And I seen it bounce, but it was a pullback. And this level right here is what I use or what I refer to as a brick level. And this was where I put my limit order. Price came to this order that filled me in. And now we're in a sell. And as far as my brick strategy, when I get in on or around the bricks, I can usually get about 10 ticks, and this is back tested. So that's what I got in based off of. So I'm gonna let it ride. What from '07? Well, the bricks is '08. From '08 to double O is 8 ticks. 9, 10. 10 would be 15 on 15.30. So I'm not even being greedy. I'm trying to get 9 off of it. But we're gonna see what's going on and we'll let it ride out. The SPY's not looking how I need it to look right now. What are we looking at? 825. 820. Opened at 1528. So our New York open. Yeah, I got to the market late today. I'm usually sitting down by like 7:30, and maybe take my first trade by 8, maybe 8, between 8, 8:30 or 9 o'clock. I'm taking my first trade in the futures. Stock market open about like 14 minutes. I'm probably gonna take my first trade there until 10 o'clock. I don't like how S&P is looking right now. It's glowed up, but I had a few. I got a put, so I need to be going down. But I'll just, it's still going up today for the rest of the day. I'll just cut my money back on the other side, no calls. But it looked like it's reaching a resistance level, so I'm not really priced. 576. Yeah, market's looking good. Oh, yeah. It went up yesterday. I'm thinking it's going to pull back down today. Why am I stopped all the way up there? That might be a little tight, but that's about 3 ticks that I'm risking. It was already up like 6, so I shouldn't even let it get back that high. My stop loss should be at break even right now. But I want to give it some cushion. I'm watching that trade that we in on another screen. Yeah, it's the take profit evaluation. But the stock market about to open, so I'm just gonna go look at. This is our second half of our trading day, so I'm gonna look at what we got going as far as what's on these charts. I'm gonna not clear it, but I'm gonna hide all this for now, just so I can see what it's looking like with the drawings and the drawings with the indicators. Top down. Turn on our daily. Yesterday we gapped up for like 10 points, so it's looking bullish. But overall, we're looking bullish here, and this was like a big pullback. This is a big level of resistance. Right here is 575, so we gotta beat this low of the day. Get above this. I want to say this is the 50 MA. Pull up, yes, for 50 and 50-day moving average. The 200s down here, so we're trading in between right now. So I'm gonna put some. My target was here. No, I got in yesterday, so yeah, I'm expecting this to come back and fill this gap. Hopefully sooner. Hopefully we reject off of here and come fill the gap before they try to get back up here. So let's see where we at. But if it runs up here, then yeah, I might try to take. This is resistance right here. If we can close over this, then that's a bad move. That 575, I'm about to unblind it. Pull our levels back up. Yeah, this 575, 576 level. Let's go to the day. Look to 575. It's around here. We're up here right now, 575 in the pre-market. So if it hit cross 576, then it might be a fake out for real. I got us trading in this channel. I'm not tripping about that short, bro. I ain't gambling, but I feel like we should be going in the downward direction still. Zooming out, yeah, we bullish, but in this period, these past couple weeks and months, since February, we've been down. Right now, we're gonna be trading in a range. It's going up and down. Higher low, then the lower low, higher high. This channel, I got us coming back down at least to here, 565. We're at 575. I need this to come back lower than that. Yeah, 565 ain't bad. That's the next support. So we're in between 576 and 565. All this other stuff in the middle was just like little day trading, ranges, scalps, and purples for hour. This was a gap you filled, so I'm gonna delete that. Came back to fill that gap. And a gap to fill down there. Yeah. If it doesn't get a close over here, and then next, let's see what this hourly time frame looks like. About 10 o'clock, I'm gonna get a close over 175 or closed. If I don't get this notification, I'm going for another short about 10 o'clock. So that's really all I really want to look at is SPY today. I ain't gonna say that on my little list though. It's 5 minutes to market open. On other trades, not really doing nothing right now. We have 2 ticks and 1 tick. So yeah, it ain't really moving. Nvidia do got like Nvidia in a range right now, but it's not where I need it to be. Looking at my daily, like in this channel, downward channel, bearish. It's been going down since what? November. Like I say, since January. But it's been in this range. And I'm just waiting for a signal for me to short it back. Right now, it looks like it's coming back up. I want to catch it right here. I traded it down here. I want to catch it here. It needed to be either be closer up here or show me that it's coming back to the downside. And I'm gonna short it as long as I can, at least down to 100, 110, 110, 105. So yeah, we're gonna keep our eye on Nvidia for the next week. No, I'm not messing with Tesla today. QQQ gapped up. I got the Qs going up. I like this. Like we just left a nice little zone. It might be coming up here. I don't know when, but that's probably what we coming to. Get rejected on a 50-day at 500. We're at 490, 500, 503. Yeah, we got some ways to go. We're 4 hour. We're at the top. We're at the 50-day, and 490. So we got some turbulence. This might be a red day today. Yesterday was a good day. Now we're testing these resistance levels today. So we'll see how this work out. Let's see, we gapped up on the hourly. Let's be over here. This is the 200-day, so I don't know. I don't want to. I don't want to go long. If I did, I would want to take it to 500. That dude got us filling this gap, this 481 gap, and I want to say soon. Market's about to open, but I might feel it in the pre-market. What's this right here? 480.
Stop filled.
Oh, the stop got filled. That joint must have been tight.
Order filled.
I'm in a QQQ put. They respecting this little support right here. We broke through it overnight. Alright, I'm not about to say live though. I ain't gonna hold you. Let me see. We lost 218. I'm getting back in this. I ain't gonna lie.
Order submitted.
I just make my entry higher. If we get in, we get in. It's an overnight high, overnight low. This is like some little support area. I need price to get under there. If I'm getting another trade for bonds in like the next 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna end this take profit stream. What is SPY doing? SPY's probably running up. Overnight low, 573. It's been trending up. We got this level right here. See, it ain't as volatile today as it usually is during the first opening 5 minutes. It be moving. Everything you do. Not the VIX on. It's under 20. When did it hit that? We might be on a bullish day today.
Order submitted. Order filled.